that the iCarsoft CR Max Peak. Out of the box, what have we got? We've got the diagnostic tool itself, and you can see it comes with loads of cables and connectors, network adapter, network cable. We've got a Y cable here for certain cars, and of course we've got USB charger and power supply, all in the box. And on the back of the unit, if I just turn it round, there you can see there's our OBD module that's on it. And by the way, it's got quite a nice thing that I do like. You've got a little light on there, and you can see that is a really handy function. We've got lots of different functions in here that we can test on the body control module, and it's the same on other modules as well. If I go into the engine control module and into the actuation test, you can see we've got lots of diagnostic tools in here as well that we can test and make sure what is going on with the car. Good for aircon, cooling fans, things like that. Something else we can do is we can read live data from the system. So if I go into, say, the SRS, which is the airbag and control system, you can see there's an option for view data. If I bring view data up, we can see real-time data from all of the airbag systems. And you can see that the values are changing because that is showing live information.